In this video, we will look at how many Onyxcoin coins you need to become a millionaire. Watch to the end. Before calculating the number of coins, let's see how high Onyxcoin coin can go. When we look at the chart, we can clearly see that a downtrend has formed, extending from the old top to the new top. This type of structure indicates that the price is being pressured downwards from the peaks that it had previously set, and the trend is moving downwards. However, a breakout of this downtrend could lead to a significant change in the market structure. If the price breaks this trend to the upside, we could see a new ATA. Looking at the chart in detail, we can clearly see that there is a strong bullish order block at the bottom. Every time the price moves into this zone, we see buyers stepping in and reacting. Bullish order blocks are levels where big buyers are active, and the price finds strong support. It increases the importance of this area even more, especially if it is tested more than once and reacts to the upside. And last time we saw a reaction from here. On the chart, we see that there is a prominent bearish order block at the top zone. When the price approaches this area, the selling pressure may increase and it may hang here for a while. Bearish order blocks are usually areas where large sellers are concentrated. Every time the price comes to this area, it may face selling and pullbacks may occur. It is difficult to break it once, but it can break it with a few attempts. When we analyze price movements according to the Elliott wave theory, we can see that the first and second waves have been completed so far. Now we need to identify potential targets for the third wave. The third wave is usually the strongest and biggest, so we can use Fibonacci to identify the levels where the uptrend could accelerate. The levels that this wave should at least reach are the Fibonacci levels that we show with the yellow and green lines. And the third wave comes quickly. We see an ascending channel structure on the chart. Currently, the price is at the lower band of the channel. And if it makes an upward move from here, the first target will be the middle band level. This middle band level is an important resistance point because the price may have reacted to it before. If the middle band is broken, the price may continue to move up to the upper band. But if it is rejected at the mid-band level, the price may retrace back towards the lower band. So it is important that it breaks the mid-band. Looking at the Bollinger Band indicator, we see that price is currently touching the lower band. This can often be a sign that a reaction buy may be coming. Also, the Bollinger Bands have started to narrow, meaning that volatility has decreased. A tightening of the bands usually indicates that a strong breakout is coming soon, so caution should be exercised. Looking at the MACD indicator, we see that a downside crossover from the top has occurred. This suggests that momentum has weakened and the price has pulled back a bit. However, it is not below the 0 point at the moment, so the trend is not completely broken. If the MACD line makes an upside cross, we can see that the previous high has been surpassed. When we look at the RSI indicator, we notice that there is a downtrend, and this trend appears to be broken. Usually, RSI trend breaks are considered an important sign of a momentum shift. However, in order for the price to enter a healthier uptrend, the RSI needs to retest the broken trend line, and then it will rise with the price. When we look at the vortex indicator, we see that when the blue line is at the top, it represents bullish, and when the red line is at the top, it represents bearish. At the moment, we notice that the red line is just now moving to the upper side. This suggests that bearish pressure is prevailing in the current situation. However, if the blue line moves upwards again and moves above the red line, we can say that the uptrend has started. From the vortex indicator, we can thus learn the direction of the trend. Looking at the 200 EMA, we can see that the price is currently quite far from the EMA. But as time progresses, depending on the price movements, the 200 EMA will gradually approach the price level. Usually the price tends to touch the long-term moving averages. So, if the price moves upwards, it may experience a pullback towards the 200 EMA, or the 200 EMA may move down over time and approach the price level. We can think of it as doing a retest. Looking at the chart from a broader perspective, we can see that a distinct bull pattern has formed. Such patterns usually indicate a strong rebound and a potential uptrend. A dish pattern occurs when the price forms a bottom after a period of decline and then starts to rise again. We are currently observing that the price is trying to complete this pattern and is heading towards the upper resistance level of the dish. If the price makes an upside breakout to complete this pattern, we could witness the beginning of a significant bullish move. In order to determine the target level of the dish pattern, the distance from the lowest point to the highest point of the dish is usually measured and added to the upper breakout level of the dish. This gives the technical target of the bull pattern. For the successful completion of this pattern, the volume should also be supportive. In other words, a significant increase in volume when the price breaks to the upside makes the uptrend healthier and more sustainable. Also, a cup and handle pattern can sometimes form right after the bull pattern. If such a pattern occurs, it can be considered as an additional bullish signal and increases the chances of the price reaching the target levels. In case of a successful completion of the dish pattern, the price is likely to enter a significant uptrend. However, caution should be exercised, and no trades should be taken without confirmation until a decisive breakout occurs and the dish pattern represents a restart. To determine the target level of the bull pattern, we measure the distance between the lowest point of the bull and the highest point of the bull. And when we add this distance to the breakout point of the bull, we see that the 0.21 level emerges as the technical target. This is the potential level that the price could reach if it completes the bull pattern. And it is very cheap right now. And now, let's see how many XCN you need to become a millionaire with this calculation. Now, when we multiply the price level of 0.21 by a total of 4,800,000 coins, we see that the resulting value is exactly $1 million. This calculation shows that if the price actually reaches the target level of the bull pattern, an investor holding 4,800,000 coins would have a total asset of exactly $1 million. This could change depending on the amount of coins the trader currently holds and whether the market can reach this target. And now let's look at how much XCN you should buy at the current price. Yes, the result obtained by multiplying 4,800,000 XCN coins at the price of $0.022 is $105,000. This calculation shows that if you invest at the current price level and the price target reaches 21 cents, your investment can increase up to $105,000. This can be a great earning opportunity, especially if you buy at the right time. It can also be a very attractive opportunity for someone with a smaller investment. For example, if you only have $10,000 and buy at the current price, when the price of XCN coin reaches 21 cents, that $10,000 investment could grow to nearly $100,000. That's a serious profit opportunity. However, these calculations are based on theoretical and technical targets. In the real world, the price reaching this level depends on market dynamics and other factors. However, if such a rise occurs, it will be possible to turn a small investment into a big profit. Please take your own risk. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe to my channel and like the video, more videos will come. I wish you all a lot of earnings. Be careful with your investments, analyze the risks correctly, and always take strategic steps. I will be back with different analysis, investment opportunities, and technical information in my videos. See you soon.